Welcome to my channel. Indian classical dance is a rich and ancient tradition deeply rooted in India culture, spiritually and storytelling. It encompasses various forms that combine expressive movements, intricate rhythms, and symbolic gestures to convey stories, emotions, and spiritual themes. Here are the major classical dance from India, recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. Number 1, Bharatanatyam. Tamil Nadu. Originated in Tamil Nadu, it is one of the oldest dance from India. Second, Kathak, North India. Known as the dance of storyteller, it is originated in temples and later evolved in Mughal courts. Third one, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, combines dances, music, and acting, often performed as a dance drama. Fourth one, Odisha, a dance from the with roots in temple worships known for the fluid movements and sculptures poses. Fifth one, Kathakali, Kerala, a highly styled dance drama known for its elaborate costumes, makeups, and facial expressions. Sixth one, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, a graceful and feminine dance from often called the dance of the enchantress. Seventh, Manipuri, Manipur, originates from the Manipur and is deeply rooted in Vaishnavism and the worships of Lord Krishna and Radha.